As human beings, we face thousands of decision points every day. There is always this dilemma what to do, what not to do. Because the list is always long. There are so many things to do. But at the end of the day, you have to figure out that you only have 24 hours during the day. And within those 24 hours, you have to decide what are the things that you are going to do, how many hours you are going to spend on various things, how you want to distribute those 24 hours amongst those thousands of decision points that you are facing every day. That's a very, very interesting analysis, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make that whole analysis easy and how to guide yourself in the direction where you earn the maximum money and you can transform your life. Hi, my name is Anjani B. Kumar and welcome to my channel. We are talking about transforming our lives by earning more money. And if you have to earn more money, you have to give your maximum amount of time and effort towards this particular goal. Because if you are not giving your attention to this particular goal, it would just remain like a dream. And it's good to have dreams, but to make them real, you have to make efforts. Now, coming back to our original discussion, where we were talking about having thousands of decision points every day. Now, when in normal course of time, we realize that there are so many things that we come across every day in our lives. And those incidences or those decision points or things happening around us decide how our time gets spent. Now, normally what I have seen in my experience that we all have a tendency to spend time on things on which we have very little control. We keep worrying about things, we keep getting distracted by things which are not actually going to make a big difference in our lives. And that's where we are faced with this problem where we are left with very little amount of time in which we need to put our direction towards earning more money and transforming our lives. So fundamentally, it's important for us to make this decision that how do we want to spend the time which is available to us? How do we avoid some of the distractions which are always there in front of you? Because those distractions will not go, they will remain. That's a part of our life. Those 1,000 decision points are not going to reduce, they will remain there. But within those 1,000 decision points, you have to decide that which are the top 5 or 10 which will actually change your life, which have the power to transform your life. And in this conversation, in this video series, we are talking about transforming our life by earning more money. So that's why you have to focus your efforts in the direction where ultimately it will help you in earning more money and ultimately transforming your life. Now, if we have to give it a structure to this whole conversation, what I typically tell people is make a list of things that you typically do in a particular work day or even on a holiday. So make a list of things. And if you have suppose 100 things in that list, then try to figure out that how much time each of those activities or things are taking. How much time you are spending on things, worrying about things which are not in your control, which are beyond your control. Because if you actually make this list, you will realize that a lot of time we spend about talking things which are not in our control. When we sit with people and we are having a discussion, we keep worrying about the state of the nation, the economy, the state of roads, the state of the particular city in which you are living. Those are the kind of things. I'm not saying that those conversations are not important, but ultimately they take your time. And if you have to avoid some of those things and move that time towards something which is more productive, which will help you in transforming your life, then let me introduce the second principle in front of you, which is called control the controllable. And don't worry about anything else. So you have to bring back your attention onto things which are in your control. Because if you are spending your time on things which are beyond your control, actually you are wasting your time. And the time is limited. You only have those 24 hours. So you have to focus on things which are in your control, which you can change by making a certain amount of effort. And you have to ensure that these 5 or 10 things every day that you do should have the power to transform your life, should guide you in a direction which will ultimately result in you earning more money. That's very important. So that's why controlling the controllable is extremely important principle that you have to keep in mind. So let's come back to our list which we have prepared in terms of everything that you are doing during the whole day. Now within that list, you figure out one, what is within your control, where you can make a difference, you can change few things, and within that list also, you have to come to a final list where things are in your control and which will ultimately result in you transforming your life by earning more money. Because if you remember in the previous part of this video series, I told you very clearly that you have to remove your mind block, you have to learn new skills, you have to pick those skills which will help you get better value in the market for your services or products, and then you have to become an expert and transform those skills into outputs. Now you need time to do this activity. So that's where the second principle, where you have to focus on things which are within your control, it will actually give you ample amount of time to focus on some of those activities which will finally help you in upskilling yourself, in demanding more value for the products and services that you offer, and ultimately helping you earn more money. So that's why this principle becomes very important in disciplining your mind, in disciplining your efforts, in focusing the direction in which you have to move. Because as I said earlier, there would always be distractions, there would always be things which will pull you and pull your attention, but you have to get out of this trap. You have to actually focus on things which will finally give you results, which will take you in the direction in which you want to go. Because if you don't do that, you will never have time to focus on activities which ultimately have the power to transform your life. So that's why, while it may sound very simple, that control the controllable as a principle, but it's not easy to implement. It's not easy to follow in everyday life. You may be able to follow it one day, 2 days, but making it a habit, that's what is required, and that's what you need to do. Because if you don't make it a habit, it will not stay with you. You will keep going back to your regular style of working, where amongst those 1,000 decision points, you will keep moving in all the directions and you will lose your attention from the activities which will finally help you earn more money and transform your life. So that's why it's my submission to all of you that look at this principle very carefully. Look at how much of it you are following in your day-to-day life. Look at how much difference it is going to make in the way we operate. How much of behavior change that you have to bring in to actually discipline your activities, mind, body. So it's all about control. It's all about self-control. And that's what you have to bring in. Because transformation does not get achieved in routine by normal course. You have to change yourself. You have to bring in something new in the way you operate, in the way you look at things which are in front of you, and that's how you are able to move in that direction. So please focus on this principle, and I'm sure it will help you make a big difference in the way you live your life, in the way you approach transformation, in the way you approach this whole principle of earning more money and transforming your life. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. If you have any questions, any suggestions, put them in the comment section. I'll answer them personally. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do consider subscribing to get all the interesting videos that I post on a regular basis. And I'll see you in the next video, where I'm going to talk about the third principle of transforming your life. And I'll see you there. Thank you very much.